So the first thing is I'm going to do a local search for fence builders. So I have a client, he builds fences, and I want to help him get found. So I'm going to take a look at the current state, what's showing up in the search engine results page right now, before I start making recommendations. And bear in mind with a local search that Google prefers to know your current location. So when I say near me in my query, then especially if I say, when that pops up, if I say allow, then Google knows exactly where I am currently. Otherwise, I'd have to enter in a city. And so below the ads, you see what's called the Google Map Pack. And you've got a listing of 3 recommended businesses there. And below the map pack, you've got some questions related to your query. So perhaps I want to learn a little bit about fence building before I hire someone. It'll help me, ask the right questions when I'm getting my quote, for example. Below that, we've got the organic listings and a few more ads. And then finally at the bottom, we've got related searches. Let's take a closer look at local listings. So again, the local map pack, we've got listings there. Let's take a look at FenceWorks. So I'm in the information gathering stage. I'm trying to see who's competing with my current client. I'm gathering information about how they're being listed. Why is FenceWorks listed first? And can we possibly outrank them? So we're always trying to strategize as to how we can outrank the competition. We're recommending changes to our clients. Hopefully we're moving along, making changes, and then we're tracking the results and then going back and forth. And Google is too. So Google is learning. The algorithm that's in place, it's constantly shifting as well, because its intent is to serve up the best possible results for people looking for answers to their questions or companies to work with. All right, so I'm going to put in a question this time: how to resurface a deck with composite. So I'm a DIY person, and then Google serves up something entirely different, straight off a video carousel, right? So instead of a local map pack, it's just straight to videos. And I could even be more specific and say, all I want to see is videos, or all I want to see is images. So as we're working with our clients, we're going to want to keep in mind that the different media that we help them build and embed within their websites, that we want to make sure that it's always optimized for Google searches. And so they could end up getting traffic straight off just from images, straight from a video. Glen Burnie Farms, claim this business. If this happens to one of your clients, you're going to want to help them claim their business so that they can manage this business going forward. The information could be inaccurate, and they're going to want to optimize it so that ideally they're going to be interacting with their customers more and more as time goes by.